Good evening, everyone. This is Shiraz here. Welcome to Cars Live. Today we have a new edition of Cars Live where we will be presenting a Hyundai i10 Automatic Sports 2012 variant. During the entire video, I'll explain you the entire body line of the car, the exterior, interiors, mechanical condition, any accidents, any will all be explained during the video. So let's see what the Hyundai i10 Automatic Sports has in store for you. Yeah. The entire body line is very neat and clean. It's a grey in color. It's a sports edition. Sports edition comes with alloy wheels. Okay, it's got automatic mirror adjustment controls, power windows, 4 doors, central locking with remote, power steering, AC as well, and the multimedia CD player with aux and USB as well. Okay, so the entire body line is very neat, very clean. There are no accident dents or scratches on the right side of the body. It's all in its original condition. Though a touch-up polish has been done on the car, slightly painted here and there. You can see the company sealing. It's all in its original condition. The right side back door, it's also original and genuine with the company sealing as well and intact over here. The boot space, sports comes also with the back wiper as well. The boot space, the entire boot is also neat and clean and genuine. There's no accidents or replacements over here as well. Quite okay boot space. The Stepney tire is a brand new. In fact, it's unused with all the toolkits, everything intact. In fact, all the 4 tires are all new. In fact, total about 5 tires are all brand new in condition. You can see the left side of the car. The quarter panel, everything is all in its genuine condition. However, there are few scratches on the left side back door. The deep scratch over here where the brush touch-up has been done once. Or if you can notice over here, there's a big scratch over here. This quarter panel over here is painted once over here. The running board has still dents and scratches, not been done yet. But yeah, the quarter panel over here and this one has been painted once, but not been replaced. The front fender is also in original condition, but touch-up and paint has been done on the fender as well. So let's see what the car has under the hood. Overall, the i10 Sports comes with a 1.2 litre robust engine. It's a VT petrol engine it comes with. Okay, it gives you a decent mileage of about 12.5 in city and should give you about 14 or 15 on highways, depending on your driving. Okay, overall the entire under the hood, it looks very clean and neat. It's recently just being serviced today. In fact, the battery is in good condition. The apron, the upper cross members, everything is intact and genuine. No accidents whatsoever. The oil, everything has been replaced, so not to be replaced again. It's in its new condition. Okay, so I don't think another 4-5,000 kilometers we'll have to replace it. The engine, the automatic gearbox oil has to be replaced once every 60,000 kilometers for an automatic. So this has been done. So another, I think 20-30,000 kilometers, you don't have to change the engine, the automatic gearbox oil as well. Overall, there are no leakages on the oil, nothing at all. It's a fantastic mechanism, and in fact the boot is though replaced once over here. As you can see over here, it's a single sealing. The boot has been replaced once. Sorry, the dicky, the bonnet has been replaced once over here. As you can see, there's a single sealing. This has been replaced once. I think the insurance claim has been done once on this. Okay. Overall, all the other doors, the boot, everything is all original and genuine with company sealing. Only the bonnet has been replaced once. So let's see what the car has on the interior. Well, as you get inside the car, you have a wow feeling on it. It has it comes loaded options with power steering, 4 windows, power windows. Overall, the automatic gears are superb. In fact, the running condition, the gearbox, the auto gearbox, the suspension, the braking, everything is excellent in the car. There's not a single rupee to be spent on it. Okay, the entire interior is very beautiful. It has luxury leather seat interiors. In fact, okay, it has all chrome finish and dual tone finishing on the dashboard. Where you have glove boxes. In fact, it has been recently serviced at 5th June 2017. Okay, and next service is due on 77,000 kilometers. In fact, the last service was done on 5th Jan at 67,000 kilometers, and right now it is driven about 68,000 kilometers. So another 10,000 kilometers, no need to service, nothing at all. In fact, just put petrol and keep driving. That's the condition of the car. So I repeat, this is a 2012 model i10 Sports 1.2 liter fully automatic variant. It's a second owner, has a comprehensive insurance valid till about next year January as well. Okay, all 5 tires are new, driven about 68,000 kilometers on record with duplicate key, service center, service record, manual, everything intact. The price of this car is just about 4 lakh rupees. My numbers mentioned on the post. Please take your phones and do give me a call. Thank you for watching Cars Live.